When you open the box, you will find user manual, standalone software CD, the main SBAA-05 analyzer unit with inbuilt printer, charging adapter, USB Type-C data cable, thermal rolls, set of disposable mouthpieces, disposable pipes. The SBAA-05 features a 4-inch color touchscreen, dual cameras for image documentation, mouthpiece port, status indicators, and built-in thermal printer. On the side, data port and charging interface, and power button in the front. To power on, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. The Sanchar logo appears. Followed by the main dashboard. The home screen displays test modes, records, settings, services, and status indicators like battery, network, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. At its core, the SBAA-05 is powered by Electrochemical Fuel-Cell Sensor Technology, ensuring laboratory-grade accuracy and stability. It supports both active and passive modes, enabling direct sampling or ambient detection. The device operates on Android OS with optional 4G, Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity. Let's perform an active mode test. Attach a new mouthpiece. Ask the subject to blow steadily until the beep stops. The device processes the sample and displays the result in milligrams per 100 milliliters. You can also input examiner ID, witness name, and remarks before saving. To print, simply tap the print icon. The built-in printer instantly generates a detailed test report following police standards. Each report includes version number, instrument ID, record number, date and time, air blank value, milligrams per 100 milliliters, mode, location, GPS coordinates, vehicle number, driver's name, license number, next calibration date, signature and name of the police officer, and captured picture. All these fields are customizable as per enforcement requirements. Select passive mode for quick mouthpiece-free screening. In this mode, the SBAA-05 detects alcohol in the surrounding air. To demonstrate its sensitivity, we test it with hand sanitizer. When the fumes approach the sensor, the device instantly responds, showing alcohol presence. This helps officers understand its reaction to external alcohol sources in the field. All test data is saved automatically. From records, you can view, search, or print previous tests. Under Settings, adjust date, time, measurement units, and printer options. You can also enable or disable custom print formats. A calibration reminder appears automatically when due. The SBAA-05 requires calibration every 12 to 15 months. Calibration ensures that the electrochemical sensor maintains its accuracy. This process must only be performed by authorized Sanchar technicians. The SBAA-05 is widely used across India by transport authorities, police, and railways for enforcement and preventive safety checks. Sanchar's SBAA-05, a compact, connected, and accurate alcohol detection solution trusted by enforcement professionals nationwide.